Can you tell me your name, please?
I'm Akemi Watanabe.
Very good. So, where do you live?
I live in Gifu.
Gifu? Okay.
Yes, and I was born in Gifu.
Oh, that's good. So, do you like Gifu?
Yes, yes. Gifu is beautiful mountain, beautiful river in my near house.
Oh, that's very, very good. Okay, and can you tell me about your job? What do you do for a living?
Yeah, and I work, and I'm office worker. Local government in Minokam City.
That's very good. So, do you like your job?
I don't know about not like.
Okay, I see. That's good. Okay, so tell me good things and not good things about your job.
Good things. In Minokam City, people is foreigner is 10%, about 10%, and Brazilian, Philippine, Korean, and so on. And many people is about friendly and good place.
Oh, that's good.
But I'm down. I was down in my office because human relationship is tired.
Okay. But now, is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's very good. Okay, and what about your hobbies? Can you tell me about your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobby is running.
Running?
Yes. I'm going to DC in next week.
That's very nice. So, what's your personal record?
My personal record is 3 hours 50 minutes. Yeah, but my friends are time record standard time is 3 hours 30 minutes, and so I want to run fast more.
That's very nice. Okay, so for the past 2 days you've studied English, and do you feel any changes?
Any change? Before, I thought I couldn't English speak. I can't. After, it's okay to mistake speak. It's okay.
That's good. Very, very good. Okay, so what's important to speak English?
Important to speak, and don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid to speak out.
Yes. You know, I think you've done a great job. Very, very good.